Hi everyone, welcome to 555 Rooting channel. Here we are going to post lot of videos about rooting and hacking games. Today I'm gonna show you how to download and install official Lucky Patcher in my rooted Moto G3 device. You can install the same in non-rooted device also, but features and options will be limited in non-rooted device. Lucky Patcher is a patching application that works on most of the apps and games. Using this you can remove ads from all applications and games, even from whole device itself. You can have modded Google Play Store, from where you can buy infinity gems and coins in your favorite games for free. Open any browser, go to the link luckypatchers.com/download, I'll put this link in description below. To install Lucky Patcher you need LP installer. You can download LP installer from any of these three links. I prefer first one. I'm gonna post lot of videos about rooting, so do smash the subscribe button and ring the bell for instant notification. I have downloaded the app before, so it will be in my downloads folder. Click the app and choose install. Turn off Google Play protection, if it is turned on. When you open LP installer, it'll straight away ask you to download Lucky Patcher. Click yes to proceed. It will start to download Lucky Patcher from official website. That's it guys. This is the official Lucky Patcher application. To check, go to About section, it will show the name ChelpUS. You can do some amazing things using this. I'm going to show one by one in my following videos. There are a lot of fake websites that have fake Lucky Patcher application. Share this to your friends, so that they can download the original one. If you have any doubts, ask me in comments section. You can support my 555 Rooting channel, by share this video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for instant notification.